In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books Certification. Now, if you're ready to bolster your resume or deepen your understanding of Zoho Books, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, so make sure you have a cup of coffee or tea, and let's dive in. First off, we need to head over to Zoho Books website. Simply open up your web browser and type in the URL books.zoho.com and press enter. This page is your gateway to all things concerning Zoho Books. Feel free to poke around a bit if you wish to familiarize yourself with the layout and availability of resources, but when you're ready, let's proceed to the next step. The goal today is certification, so the next logical move is conducting a search on Google. So let's pop open a new tab in your browser, go to Google, and type in Zoho Certification. Once you hit enter, you'll see various results, but what you want to click on is the link that directly mentions Zoho Certification. It's usually at the top, and this click-through will lead you to the hub of all their certification programs, a fantastic resource that connects you to the broader set of Zoho's software solutions and training offerings. Now that you're on the right page, look for the Register Now button. It'll probably be prominently displayed to make registration as straightforward as possible. Click that, and you're now moving along the path toward certification. This click will take you to a form, a step most of us are quite familiar with. Filling out this form accurately is crucial. You'll be asked for some personal details, likely including your full name, email address, and perhaps some information regarding your business or role. Take your time here and ensure every field is correctly filled. Mistakes could delay your certification process, and nobody wants that. Once the form is complete, hit the Submit button and breathe a sigh of relief. You're halfway there. Upon submission, you may get a confirmation email, so check your inbox to verify everything is in order. The next page might present you with a few more options, such as highlighting the course or registration for additional customer-only courses. This step simply involves clicking on the highlighted area that captures your interest most. This could be confirmation or additional learning content just for you. And finally, as a Zoho customer, you might see a section specifically dedicated to you, marked as Registration Form for Customers Only. Clicking here might offer tailored content or exclusive workshops especially designed for current users. It's an excellent way to maximize your Zoho experience and make the most of available resources. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to get your Zoho book certification. Thanks for following along, and good luck on your certification journey.